Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace a water pump on a GMC Sierra. First, let's prepare. You'll need a few key items: a new water pump, a drain pan, a set of wrenches, and about 2 gallons of fresh engine coolant. Safety is paramount, so always begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Then, position your drain pan and completely drain the old coolant from the radiator and engine block. Now that your system is drained, it's time to remove the old pump. Begin by carefully releasing the tensioner and removing the serpentine belt from the water pump pulley. Next, disconnect all the hoses connected to the pump, ensuring you catch any residual coolant. Finally, unbolt the old water pump from the engine block. There are typically 4 to 6 bolts holding it in place. Once all bolts are out, gently pry the old pump free. With the old pump removed, let's install the new one. First, meticulously clean the mounting surface on the engine block to ensure a perfect, leak-free seal. Any old gasket material or debris must be removed. Next, apply a thin, even bead of RTV sealant to the new pump's gasket surface, or position your new gasket. Carefully align the new water pump and bolt it into place, tightening the bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque, usually around 25 foot-pounds. You're almost done. Now reconnect all the hoses and any electrical connectors you detached earlier. Reinstall the serpentine belt, ensuring it's properly routed around all pulleys. Next, refill your cooling system with the appropriate type and amount of fresh coolant, typically around 2 gallons. Start the engine, allow it to reach operating temperature, and bleed any trapped air from the system. Finally, perform a thorough inspection for any signs of leaks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.